Hi guys, Shruti here. If you follow me on Instagram, you must be knowing that I recently attended Nykaa's paint stick launch party. So if you are not following me on Instagram, first of all, go forward and follow me on Instagram today only. Okay, so I got a lot of requests for doing a review of all of their paint sticks because I have all of their 12 shades. So let's get started. So Nykaa launched 12 different shades of paint sticks, and these are the colors they launched. They retail for around 425 rupees here in Indian market, but definitely you can catch them on sale on Nykaa.com and you can save more money on that. And don't forget to check out the description box because I am going to mention all the shades with their direct buying list. So you can go forward and check the colors, as well as if you want, you can directly go forward and buy them as well. First of all, let's talk about the product. They are launched by a company called Nykaa. Nykaa.com is the biggest cosmetic company here in India, and they are launching their own cosmetic range, and this is a addition to their lipsticks. They already have kajal and liners and so much other stuff. So they launched their paint sticks. Now they call it as these lipsticks are so pigmented that they act like a paint. So you apply it on your lips and bam, you have the color in just one swipe. This is what they claim for. Let's see if the claim is right or wrong. First thing first, which is very impressive, they do have the expiry date written on the cap of the lipstick, which is a must for me. Because I feel like you need to know when your makeup is going to expire. Most of the companies, most of the cosmetic companies, I will say, especially for the lipsticks, they do not write the expiry date on the lipsticks. Especially if they will write it, they will write it so small or on such a place that you just touch the lipstick 2 or 4 times and it's gone, which is just unhygienic, and I just don't like it at all. So I need to see the expiry date of the lipstick on somewhere on the packaging, which is there in this lipstick, which is a big plus point for me. Let's talk about the packaging, which is one of the most innovative and amazing packaging ever, because you can see which shade you are getting because the packaging is just like in the same color. And one more thing, if you have this like a box of lipstick and you are searching for your lipstick from top, you can still see the color because the sticker of this lipstick is displayed in the same shade which this lipstick has. It's the awesomest thing ever. Now when you open the lipstick, this is how it looks like, and you guys know that this is my favorite kind of lip packaging because the lipstick has edges, so it's really easier for me to apply the lipstick to the outer corner of my lips, and I don't have to go and find a lip liner of the same color and touch up especially to the outer corner of my lips. So that's why I really like the packaging. Now let's talk about the formulation of the product. When you apply it, it goes on very smoothly on your lips because they are cream finish and they are not matte finish lipsticks. First of all, they have a little bit of shine in them, but they are very pigmented. By pigmented, what I mean is whatever color you see in the bullet get transferred on your lips, exact same color, because they are very highly pigmented. Especially because I have darker color lips, somehow I feel like when I buy a lipstick, most of the time lipsticks, when I apply it on my lips, they appear to be a different color. But with this lipsticks, when you apply it on your lips, even if you have a darker lips like me, you're going to apply it, they're gonna look exact same which they look in the tube, and on your lips the same shade is going to be exactly same. Now because it's really pigmented, it stays on my lips for good 7-8 hours, and then it started fading a little bit, and it was not making my lips drier or anything like that. Most of the matte finish lipsticks I use, which are this much pigmented, they makes my lips look very dry and kind of like they are tugging my lips. But these are very creamy on your lips. They doesn't makes your lip dry, and but they are when you are going to eat food or you're going to drink, they are going to transfer. So then you have to touch up. So if you're eating or drinking, then you have to touch up your lipstick, else you're good to go for a very long time. You guys know that one of my current favorite lipsticks are Faces Canada lip crayons. They are matte in finish, but the Nykaa ones are cream in finish. So the finish is only the difference, I will say. Look at the color payoff. Both have the amazing color payoff, and they last on your lips for a very long time. Kind of very similar, but look at the difference in the price. Like Nykaa paint sticks are for like 425 rupees, and lip crayons from Faces Canada are like 800 rupees. So there is a big difference in price, but the product is kind of similar. And if you want, you can make them matte finish as well. Just apply a tissue paper on your lips and dust it with some baby powder and you're good to go. You will make them instantly matte as well, which is absolutely awesome because of the price point. Literally, they are really great. In all total, if you are looking for a very bold pigmented lip color, you should definitely give them a try. बिल्कुल सही समझा. Sharing के बिना ये वीडियो कैसे खत्म हो सकता है? So I'm giving away 3 of these paint sticks. You guys already know about the swatch thing and everything. You guys are my sister, so I am going to share my lipsticks with you. So what you all have to do is just comment below what is your favorite shade, subscribe to my channel and share this video. That's it. Check out the description box, it's filled with the rules and information about the everything. And if you want to buy these lipsticks, check out the description box, direct link is there. So you can buy these lipsticks directly from there. So that's it for this video. If you had enjoyed it, then subscribe kaun karega? Jaldi se subscribe kar do. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care. Bye bye.